Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw your money from the Trading 212 app. First, open the Trading 212 app. Make sure you have funds available to withdraw. Next, go to Manage Funds. Tap the three lines at the bottom right corner of your screen. Select Manage Funds. Next, withdraw your money. Tap Withdraw, enter your account password for verification. Choose the amount you want to withdraw. Select the payment method you want the money sent to. Tap Confirm Withdrawal. Wait for the transfer. Trading 212 usually says it takes up to 5 business days, but it can depend on your bank. Sometimes the money arrives in 2 to 3 days, and in some cases it can be instant. And that's it. That's how you withdraw money from Trading 212. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.